What's the meaning of cliffhanging? Cliffhanging. Cliffhanging.
Cliffhanging. Cliffhanging. Cliffhanging refers to a storytelling technique that leaves the audience in suspense at the end of an episode, chapter, or other segment. This is often accomplished by ending on a dramatic moment or revelation, creating anticipation for how the story will continue. The term comes from early film serials which frequently ended each episode with the protagonist left hanging off a cliff, leaving viewers unsure if they would survive. Cliffhangers are used in many forms of media, from TV shows to novels, and are an effective way to keep audiences engaged and eager for the next installment.